Well, we're off this morning, leaving Mission RV in El Paso, and we're heading north to New Mexico to go to White Sands, one of our favorite places that we visited last time on our trip. It's like driving through a snow-covered field. So we'll touch back with you when we get closer.
In 3/4 of a mile, take the exit on the left to I-10 West.
These like ornamental things on the bridge. Look like they have wind turbines on top. Don't they? Beautiful bridges in El Paso.
That's the street all the shops are on. That's the street.
Welcome to New Mexico, land of enchantment. Here you can see on the sides of the road, both sides, there's mile after mile of trees that look like they're for nuts of some kind. We haven't figured it out. We don't know if it's a walnut or a pecan, but it just goes on and on. Oh, they're pecan trees, according to this little sign. New Mexico Pecan Company. But they're on both sides of the road and they go on forever. White Sands National Monument. Yeah, we made it. The White Sands National Monument.
Arriving at White Sands National Monument on the right.
Okay, time to drive into White Sands. Look at that white sand. It is spectacular. Well, we made it to White Sands. It was about 105 miles north of El Paso, which we just finished that drive, and we just drove into the park, and we're on the section in the park where there's no more roads. You're actually driving on a sand drive. So you have to go slow and not spin your tires and all that kind of stuff. And we're slowly working our way deeper into the park, where we will stop and have some lunch. So we'll take you along. See ya. having lunch at White Sands. Look at that sand. Well, we stopped for lunch here at White Sands, and it has quickly become one of our favorite places to stop for lunch. It's just spectacular with the white sands, and it's peaceful, it's nice and quiet. We put out the slides of the camper and make a nice lunch and stay for 3 or 4 hours. But it's time to move on and head north a little further. So we'll see you down the road. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe for future videos.